In Siddiqui alias Suleiman Khan escape case, Old Goa police on Saturday evening brought accused Amit Naik from Hubli to Old Goa police station. Later, he was produced before the JMFC court at Panjim, where the court sent him in police custody for 4 days. A source close to investigation told to Prudent that in the initial investigation, accused Amit Naik has disclosed that Suleiman Siddiqui had approached him few days back saying that he will give 1 crore rupees if he helps him in escape from the crime branch custody. Later he increased the bribe amount to 2 crore rupees, and finally when he increased the amount to 3 crore rupees, then he got tempted and decided to help him in escape. Then Siddiqui told him that if he comes with him to Karnataka at some place, then he will give all 3 crore rupees to him. He got tempted, and on fateful night he took Siddiqui out of the lockup and by using his bike crossed the Karnataka border from the Palolem area. After reaching the Karwar, another person, namely Hazrat Ali, was waiting for Suleiman Siddiqui, and Suleiman Siddiqui told him that if he comes with him in the car, then he will give him the money. Amit Naik left his bike at Karwar and sat in the car with Suleiman Siddiqui. And after reaching at a bus stand at Hubli, Suleiman Siddiqui got off the car without informing him anything and disappeared from there. Later, Hazrat Ali also forced Amit Naik him to drop off the car. After coming out the car, Amit Naik had no clue that where to go and how to go. That's why he approached the nearby police station and surrendered himself before the police at Hubli. A senior police officer, without confirming or denying these facts, told to Prudent that they are verifying the statements made by Amit Naik, and investigation and his interrogation will continue in this matter. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.